Quit. Quit.
This is a... Emmanuel, do not do it. Emmanuel, don't do it! Emmanuel!
Quit. Stop, that's a plug. Go. Go play. Oh, give me that plug.
Gosh, damn.
Ah, you fuck, you just bit.
Just stand still. If you stay still, you might do anything.
Okay. Hey!
Hey, look at all these wieners.
Hi, Wiener!
Happy birthday,
Ezekiel.
Yay!
Nailed it, as usual. Stepped in it. Good job.
Shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
High five. Too slow.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now... Albie.
Did he get you?
How to make it run, and then Gavin, after 3 minutes of it running.
now who's right?
Okay.
I got you, Sydney.
Cheeky. Cheeky.
I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat. She's not a...
Don't bite his tail.
Salem, what you doing up there, big boy? He's hitching a ride on Sebastian.
That's the ranch kitty. I'm not a cat guy.
Okay, Suede, too much. Hey, too much.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, you didn't like that?
Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
Did you sleep good? Okay, you crazy.
Did you wake up by yourself? Come on, Tucker. I just opened this gate for you, you freaking knucklehead.
May cosas kya?
Art. Art.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me?
Piper, you want it? I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
I'm not. Yuck! I'm not touching that.
Are you hungry?
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
Get it out.
What do you do for work?
You have one job. Look behind you.
So freaking. Excuse me! No!
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You
Happy birthday to you.
Seriously?
Oh shit! Sorry.
Did you fall asleep?
Yeah, he's out.
$100 in this deal.